Hey guys, this is Maria from TVSocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to make Reels video remix on Instagram. Due to the remix feature, Instagram users may add their own content alongside another user's Reels video. Follow these steps and you'll figure out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and hit the Reels icon on the main toolbar. After that, find the video that you want to remix and press on the three dots icon on the right-hand side of the video screen. Select the Remix this Reel option. As you can see, the user's video appears on the left side and your video will be on the right side of the screen. Once you're ready to record your video, simply tap the button, or if you already have the recorded video, then upload it from your camera roll. Now you may mix audio, add voiceover, insert stickers, draw or write something on the video. When you're ready to post the video, click on the next button and share it to Reels. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make Reels video remix on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TVSocial.com.